Kasi in-order namin ito online. Yun yung kailangan yung tanggalin. Alin ng wife ko nahanap. This one is found at home. Siya na order. Siya na rin nagbayad. Powder or liquid. Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So we got ourselves today a brand new Panasonic fully automatic washing machine. This item is exclusive only at SM Appliance Store. And it costs around 20,000. That's cash price. Tingnan natin. So yun guys, be sure na kapag in-deliver sa inyo yung item is i-check nyo before nyo sabihin kay kuya na mag-deliver na you are accepting this appliance. Kasi if this has an issue, they can replace it immediately. Pero hindi naman on the day. No? As long as they see or they saw na may problema, ayun, witness sila, and then you can request to change this immediately. And within 7 days, they will replace with a brand new item. Para mag-i-swap lang kayo. Pull out nila, and then at the same time, ibigin na nila sa inyo yung balot. Kanina, pina-check ko na to, kaya nagpakapagod akong ibalik lahat ng balot, pati styro, pati box. Kaya para makita na ninyo. Yan, meron pa siyang balot. Now, labas pa lang, what I love, it comes with a matte finish. So unlike the model that came earlier than this one, I think matte din siya, pero it's a silver gray color, no? So, because our house is newly renovated, it's a white house, I think it complements well with a black matte design. And on top, similar to the previous version, like the previous model, meron din siyang glass top, which you can see yung mga labahin mo. And then the panel is surprisingly sleek, and it's a touchpad na, although unlike the other model na nakita ko na fully touch capable na siya, this one also still has membrane underneath, and if hindi nyo iingatan, possible na mag-seep in yung water. Halimbawa, pinutungan nyo ng wet cloth for a long time. Of course, this is guaranteed sealed, pero kung hindi nyo iingatan, syempre, masisira pa din. Iwasan nyo lang na mabagsakan, okay? Actually, what makes me decide on this model is that for its price, it has a capacity of 9.5 kg load. I actually only have two choices. The other one's the Whirlpool. Ito yung bagong model din nila. Hindi ko siya nagustuhan sa kanya is nasa harapan yung panel. As for me and my wife, na times nagbukuskus pa rin kami, and there's a tendency na mababasa yung harapan, which we don't want to risk with that kind of design. Kasi syempre mababasa yung panel, and kapag nabasa yung panel, syempre you do not know what will happen next. If that is proven to be a negligence on your part, it's going to be covered by the warranty, and you will have to pay extra in order for you to replace that one. And we have here guide or the product warranty leaflet. So importante ito. Andito yung model and the serial number. Itatabi nyo to along with the receipt if you will be claiming a warranty sometime soon. So when claiming the warranty, it's either you contact SM Appliance directly or you contact Panasonic Service Center directly, whichever you prefer. Okay? And guys, the operating instruction manual. Huwag kayong mag-hesitate basahin ito kasi aming importanteng bagay na kailangan nyong malaman bago nyo paandarin ang bago nyong washing machine. Let's see. Tanggalin natin to. Makikita nyo kung gaano kalaki yung tub. Yan. Of course, it comes with the inlet water hose. Yan. So make sure na ready yung faucet ninyo. Your faucet has to have a thread para maikabit nyo ito from that point, from your faucet to your washing machine. However, it looks like a bit under 1 meter lang. So if your faucet is far from your washing machine, then you're gonna have a problem. Or maybe you would need to buy a hose that is, I think, more than 1 meter. And then it also has a drain hose. Your drain hose is flexible, but I'm not sure if it's going to extend. Ito, maiksi din siya, unlike the other old models. Mahaba, no? Meron siyang clamp to make sure it's fit properly. Yan, si baby umiiyak. Okay, moving on and continuing. Yung tub niya is actually the 360 spin. So ito lang, and si Whirlpool ang merong 360 spin. What do we mean by 360 spin? Umiikot siya ng tuloy-tuloy, hindi siya yung left to right lang. So that kind of feature ensures that your clothes are washed properly. And aside from that, meron siyang feature or function na nagsisirculate yung water from bottom to top. So kaya pagka nag-wash kayo, mapapansin nyo, bumubula siya, mabulang-mabula siya. Anong kagandahan ng bumubula? Actually, kapag bumubula, doon na-activate yung feature naman ng sabon or capability ng sabon na maghugas ng clothes. Okay guys, so ito, nasa ibabaw naman ito no cover niya. Meron ditong instruction and the first thing is yung ipag-unpack ng machine, nasa ilalim yung protective device. Yun yung kailangan yung tanggalin para walang kalampag. And then later on, meron kasi ito screen sa likod na naka-tape lang. And then you will attach that one underneath the washing machine and fix it with the screw. Ito naman ay protection against rats. And then later, ipapakita naman natin yung parang compass, yung parang mata. Ito yan actually, ipakita na natin. Yan, yung pang-leveling niya. You have to make sure that yung bubble is at the very center of that black circle. Otherwise, there may be a risk of malfunction or hihinto na lang bigla yung washing machine because hindi siya nakabalance. You will then be able to balance the machine using its 4 legs. Adjustable siya, meron siyang roscas or screw sa ilalim na po pwede nyo i-adjust. Siyempre, hindi naman perfect yung sa inyo. Pwedeng bump siya or what. Okay? So yun, tingnan natin yung ilalim. So yan yung device na kailangan yung ensure na natanggal sa ilalim. And then, this is the screen or yung pad na kailangan yung ilagay sa pinaka-ilalim. This will protect your machine from rat infestation. Baka sirain nila yung mga wiring and even yung motor. Minsan pa nga kinangat-ngat nila yung fan belt. Okay? And then, fix it with the screw. And slide nyo lang. And then, bam! And then, fix it with the screw. Oh no, hindi siya magnetic. So this one naman, yung lalagayan ng detergent. This model actually can accept or hold powder or liquid detergent. So unlike the other, yung mga nauna lumabas na kapag automatic washing machine is dapat liquid lang because hindi nila kayang tunawin yung powder. Yan. So may level indicator on how much you can only fill it up with your detergent. And then this one naman yung part for the fabric softener. If I'm not mistaken, ang sabi sa akin nung demo, yung pag-mix niya ng fabric softener is during the time na pabanlaw na siya. Hindi ako sure. Pero, syempre, pwede mo pa rin namang lagyan ng fabric softener manually kung kailan mo gusto. Sa panel control, pwede ka nang magdagdag kung ilang beses siya mag-rinse, gaano katagal siyang mag-spin, and aside from modifying how much water you can fill it up or how much time you need to wash it. So kung gusto mong 3 beses mag-rinse, okay lang. And kung gusto mong matuyo siya ng sobra, ayan, you can spin it for up to 7 minutes. Actually, there are 8 modes or 8 predefined programs for this washing machine. If you want your wash to become longer than the predefined mode, you can do so just simply by clicking on this. Okay, and the same thing that you can do for the refill, or this is actually the number of times your laundry will be rinsed. Also, of course, the water level, you can do so. You can adjust it by clicking or pressing this button. Okay, so what else do we have here? This is actually the most interesting part. The tub hygiene allows you to clean your tub thoroughly. So what happens is that your tub is being cleaned by water, just water. Well, it's up to you if you have other cleaning agents that you want to put here. How many times per month? I'm not sure, but maybe if you're that heavy user of our automatic washing machine, you're gonna need it maybe as much as once every week. And yes, it will consume some electricity and some water, but it will surely take care of your machine for a good amount of time. And the other interesting mode here is the stain master. So you choose from sweat, mud, or soy sauce. So what we like about this product is number one, the physical look. It looks durable, it looks aesthetically nice, and also we like the placement of the control panel, which is on top. Secondly, we like, of course, the presets which program. And also, what we liked about is the tub hygiene. It's actually a big help to maintain your unit. And then, I think on the downside, what we didn't like is the dryer. Sadly, as compared to our older unit of washing machine, the clothes does not get thoroughly dried. Maybe you will have to do it, I think, twice or thrice for it to dry a bit more. Others suggest that you have to take out some clothes so that the spin will be much efficient. The dryness of your clothes will even be better. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed and hope you learned something on our review. And please subscribe if you haven't. And thank you for watching. Bye!